Hi guys, welcome back to Papro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to identify the color from our image and display the color using Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so it can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's quickly see the program, how it works and the output. So firstly, there is only one library that I've imported, which is PIL, which deals with all the image related, like it might be resizing and all. So next, there is one main method which is defined, which is identify color, which is called later in the program. And under that, we have few codes, like few of them, which I will be explaining clearly. And also there is a passing of the image. So let's dive to the first few codes from the function. So firstly, we are extracting the image which is named. I'll tell you the name which is given in the end of the program, and we're storing it in img. So here we are checking the coordinates with the same within the same image boundaries. So imagine that the image is within the boundaries, then it is okay. If it is not, there is an error message which is clearly displayed, which is error specified coordinates are out of the image boundaries. Now, then we are getting the RGB values of the pixel of the specified coordinates. So X and Y is already defined. So we are going to collect one point from the image and we're going to calculate the RGB value for that so that we can compare which RGB value it is close to and display the color name. Moving on to the next. The next part is we are defining threshold of RGB colors. So we are considering only the mean color threshold. So for the red, we are initialing 100 and the green 100 and blue 100. And the next part is we are comparing the RGB value which we got from the picture to the threshold value of the color or whichever color has been threshold. So if the value is greater than the red threshold, is printed as red. If the RGB value threshold is greater than the green threshold, then it is green. And similarly, RGB value to which is greater than blue threshold is printed as blue, else print other colors. So instead of if it is closer to red, blue, and green, it will print red, blue, and green. If it is other color, it's going to print others. So coming for this entire program, how do we give the image? You can see down there you can see. So identify color is the function which is mentioned above, and we are passing a image called sample image.jpg and giving the x and y axis. And this image should be saved parallel to where you have saved this particular code. I'll just show you how I have saved it. So the name should be given as sample image so that it identifies the image. So let's quickly see the output of the program. So here I'm just going to open the folder where the program is and see the image here. I've opened, I've saved this as sample image.jpg. It's red, the answer should be red. So let me just copy the name of the file and go to command prompt python space filename dot py to execute. And you can see it's printed the color as red. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.